Today I am going to start PS lesson refraction of light at plane surfaces. Okay, how do we say refraction is happening? So we can say refraction happens by conducting one small activity. What is the activity? For this activity, we take one vessel. So one vessel taken. In this vessel, one coil is placed. Coil. So one vessel taken. In that vessel, one coil is placed. Okay, can we see this coil from here? Easily we can see. So from this part, you can see this coil tightly. So this coil appears from this part. Can we see this coil from this part? So easily we can see this. Why means vision happens slightly so that we can see this coil. Can we see this coil from here? Okay, we can see this coil from here also. Can we see this coil from this place? Okay, we can see from this place also. Can we see from this place? From this also we can see this coil. So can we see this coil from this? No, we can't see this coil from this. Why means from this part our vision may be like this. From this place our vision slightly moves like this, so that we can't see. We can't see this from this place. So coil not appears to us. Coil not appears to us from this place. So see, take this is position A, this is position B, this is C, this is D, this is E, it is F. So position A, B, C, D, E. From all these positions we can see the coil. That means straightly the coil appears. But from the position F, we can't see this coil. Why means our vision always straightly present that there is no coil, so that this coil not appears to us. Okay, from this, so from this position F, we can't see this coil because from our eye, vision straightly like this present, there is no coin, so that this coin not to be appears. Okay. Now see one thing. Now take some water. Take some water, then fill that water in this vessel up to here. So the water. Now the vessel is completely filled with water. When the vessel is filled with water, then what happens means this coin which is present at the bottom maybe rises to up. And this coin maybe rises to up to here. Now, when the water is filled in this vessel, then what happens means this coin is raised in the water up to here. Then we can see this coin. We can see this coin from this part. Now it appears from this also. So Refraction is happening. So then what happened here means originally coin is here, but because of placing water, so there what happened? Medium changed. First of all, what there air there. Then what we placed water. Because of that, what happened means so this is more means this coin is more to here means from this coin means this from this from this eye right ray after reaching to here bending towards like this so that this coin is appearing. So when this coin is appearing to us from here onwards means from this eye right ray passing like this, then from the surface of this maybe bending towards this side. So there is coin, so that coin is appearing. So this process is called means what? Refraction. Because of refraction, this coin is appearing. So refraction is happening. So by this activity, we can say that refraction happens. Okay. Why the light rays are refracted? We know already. Light rays, when travels from one medium to other medium, they are refracted. But why? What is the reason? Only one reason there. What means light travels in different velocities in different mediums. Not in all the mediums with the same speed light travels. Maybe in one medium light travels in one speed. In another medium light travels in another speed. Because of this reason, when light travels from one medium to other medium, because of difference in its velocity, it slightly deviates. So that is said to be what means refraction of light. Okay, now see this. It is a surface. Imagine to this surface of one medium there. Suppose imagine air. Below to the surface, here one more medium, imagine water. So this is the surface which separates two mediums. Above, air medium there, below, water medium there. When we compare these two mediums, air density is low than the water density. Because of that, air is said to be a rarer medium. Rarer medium. Water is said to be denser medium. So, two types of mediums, rarer medium, denser medium. When we compare these two, air density is less, so it is said to be rarer medium. Water density is more, so it is called denser medium. Now, this is a surface which separates the two mediums, air and water. Imagine from this air, one light ray entering into the water. How it enters? So, one light ray. This is a light ray. This light ray through the air passing, touching the surface here. After touching the surface, it enters into the water water is the under medium. Because of that, in the water, its velocity is different, so that from this point it deviates and moves in this direction. So, not moves straightly. So, this light ray, after meeting the surface, maybe enters into the under medium. Because of that difference in the speed, it deviates slightly here and then moves in this direction. Okay, here refraction is happening. Now this ray, which is passing through the air, is said to be incident ray. It is called incident ray. Then this ray, which is passing through the water under medium by refraction, that ray is said to be refracted ray. And then this point on the surface through which deviation happens, that point is said to be, this is point of incidence. That's called point of incidence. This is the incident ray. So this is the incident ray. It is the refracted ray. Then this point through which deviation is happening, that point is said to be point of incidence. Okay. Now, at this point, means point of incidence, draw one normal line. This is a normal. So at the point of incidence, one normal line is drawn. With this normal line, incident ray do some angle. This angle is said to be angle of incidence. Now, with this normal, this refracted ray do some angle. Now this angle is said to be angle of refraction. Now when we compare this angle and this angle is less than the angle of incidence. Why means when light ray travels from rarer medium to denser medium, that refracted ray move towards the normal. So when light ray moves from rarer medium to denser medium, what are the mediums? What it may be the mediums? When light ray moves from rarer medium to denser medium, in the denser medium, refracted ray move towards the normal one. Because of that, angle of refraction is less than the angle of incidence. See this diagram. Are you liking this video? Please subscribe me.